Understanding the equipment in your bin cleaning machine. First, let's go over the basics of all bin cleaning equipment. Every system, regardless of the manufacturer, is comprised of 4 parts: bin lifter, wash bay, water tanks, and a pressure washer. However, every manufacturer deals with this equipment differently. Let's take a closer look at each part. The bin lifter. Most of the manufacturers use an oversized and expensive bin lifter that was really designed to pick up full garbage bins and empty them. These bin lifters were designed for use on garbage trucks. That's why they're large and expensive. Here at Bin Wash Systems, we build a compact, custom-engineered bin lifter designed to lift empty trash bins quickly and efficiently. Our hydraulic bin lifter is built for the job of picking up empty bins. Using equipment that is specifically designed for the job it will be doing keeps costs way down compared to the other way. The wash bay. Because a wash bay is large does not mean it's efficient. A larger wash bay does not do anything other than add more material that you're paying for. The wash bays are designed to capture any water and items that come out of the bins as they're being cleaned during the wash cycle. We build a wash bay that is optimally sized to do this in a compact and efficient manner. Water tanks. You must decide whether you will reuse your water or not. Some manufacturers will tell you the only way to go is with 2 tanks, one for fresh water and another for wastewater. Others will tell you use 1 water tank and reuse the water by adding a filter system. The truth is, both ways work just fine. It's more a matter of your preference and what kind of setup makes the most sense for you. All sizes and shapes of water tanks are available, so finding one that works for you is pretty easy. Pressure washers. They come in all sizes and configurations. However, bigger is not always better. More gallons per minute does not mean better performance or efficiency from your bin cleaning system. A higher gallons per minute means the more water you are using during the cleaning of a bin. Therefore, the more water you must have on hand throughout the day. 5 gallons per minute is ideal, along with using hot water. This will help you manage your water capacity as efficiently as possible and provide you with effective cleaning power. And the perfect setup is? Well, ultimately, the perfect setup will be different for everyone. As we always say, the most important thing is to get started. Get yourself up and running so you can start to secure the territory that you want. This industry is still new and there isn't much, if any, competition yet. It won't be this way forever, so now's the best time to start.